if you're recording videos for students, maybe you're recording a live session and you want to show it to the students later, or ones who missed it, or you want to record little videos to explain things like these videos, you can use Zoom quite happily. Once you've got your video, whether it's with Zoom or something else that's recorded, and you need to get those into some place to be able to show people. So one of the places I'm using for that is YoutubeStudio. So that's how you put videos onto YouTube. So let's have a look at how you can do that. First of all, you need to create an account. So I'm going to go through creating an account. You may have an account already on Gmail or something else that you're using on Google. So you might not need to do the first step of registering. I'm not going to go through all the registering steps, but I'll just show you where it differs. If you have no YouTube accounts, sorry, no Google accounts, you'll need to create one. And that can be, you might want to create a new one using your college email. That's up to you. I'm using a college email for the college stuff, because for students, I want them to just see my college identity. So let's share my screen and we'll have a go at creating something. Let's have a look. Desktop. So let's just get rid of the Zoom meeting. Let's move some things out of the way. There we go. So the first thing, you need to go to studio.youtube.com. If you do that, it will then either let you log in if you've already set something up, or it'll let you create a new account. Okay, so here you can either log in or you can create a new account. So I'm going to go through creating a new account for myself. I can then complete the details and carry on. If you need to sign in, you can do that previously, or if you made a mistake, you can then sign in here. So I'm going to join you again once I've managed to sign in, so I can show you around the YouTube Studio. Okay, so after going through a whole lot of different questions and date of births and all that kind of stuff, and asking how you want your name to be shown on the screen, etc., you should end up with this one. You can learn more in here. They've just changed the way things work. So luckily, you don't have to look at an old video. You can look at something new. You can go and learn more. So let's have a look. Click on learn more. What's it going to do? It's going to give us a video. So it will give you a little bit of a guided tour. So you can go through that if you want, or we can just go straight in here. There's some little help things here that you can go through. It's just going to show you, so it'll take you step by step through things. Managing channel access. So this one, do you want to let anyone else add things to your channel? So you can invite somebody. No, we don't want to do any of that. So let's just cancel that. We don't want that. So it's going to try and help you a little bit, but it's just can be a bit of a pain. Okay, so here we are in the channel. At the moment, we've got nothing in it. So I'm going to upload some videos and then I will come back. There's another video on how to do uploading yourself, but I'm just going to put some in here so we can look at something a little bit more useful. Okay, so now I've uploaded 3 videos. I put the descriptions in and titles. So there's a video here on uploading. These are very new accounts. That's what yours will look like with not much going on. So let's have a look. I'll switch over to my channel that I'm using for students. And you can see here I've got various videos that are uploaded. These ones are all private, or they're unlisted, so people can't see them, but students can get to them. And you can see down here the basic details, a little thumbnail, whether you can see it or not, what date it was published, and then you can see how many people have watched the video. If you've got comments turned on, then you'll see comments here and the number of comments here. Lesson number 1, turn off your email. Still haven't done it. Okay, that's what that Bing was. Okay, so down here we've got likes and dislikes. So I don't know if people have done thumbs up. Somebody's been a bit mean to me here and given me a thumbs down. So there's obviously something. This is a beginner's video, so who knows. So you can go into each of these in turn. So let's switch back to my other account so we can have a look at what that looks like. Okay, so in turn you can hover. If you move your mouse over it, you can then do a little bit of editing, which is, again, trimming is in another video. You can see more statistics, look at the comments, or you can just have a watch of yourself if you really want to. Editing, quite a useful one, or details, just click on that. You can see all the stuff you put in before that you can change. So if you want to change the picture on the front, I don't know, but you can also add your own picture if you really want to start doing this, but it just takes time. So I'm not going to bother too much now. Maybe they'll change later. Again, a little bit more information on I've made a change. So I just need to say okay to that. Let's just go analytics. So what's been happening, who's been viewing it, lots of different things out here about those of you who really want to have a look at that stuff, you can. Editor, so you can trim and do all kinds of other things. This is going to give you, if you click here, it will give you a little lesson. I think it's probably going to show me a few things. No, it's not going to give me a lesson. Oh well, never mind. What was the point of that button? So here you can trim things. Here we've got nice little thumbnails of all the different stages. If you push space, it will go through. All right, let's go a little quick. So I still don't learn. Every time I get little bings and bongs because I haven't turned off my email. You can see the little pictures of where things are. This little line here is showing you where you currently are. So you can then jump to different places and have a listen. This bit is the sound. So that needs to be a reasonable size, not too big, not too large. You can also make this, you can zoom in, zoom out. So worth having a little play with the editor. Maybe there'll be another video on that. Comments. So you can have a look at those and you can respond to them. If you want to play around with subtitles because you have a need to, then you can do. There's a little tab here, just going back to details. So there's lots of different things that you can have a look at. So if you want to change comments, for example, you can come down here and say you might want to change to hold inappropriate comments or hold all comments, or you can just turn off comments. So by default, they're going to be on, comments are going to be on. Something to look at another time. So many things to think about. So this is your YouTube channel. When you want to add videos, you go up to here to create. So hopefully that's given you a little bit of a whistle stop tour through Studio. If you need to get those links again for somebody, you can just go into here and it will give you, there's the link, and you can copy nicely from here. Okay, great. See you another time.